Welcome to Baligo Portal for travel agents. Create Bali itinerary in few easy steps. In this video, we will guide you step by step to create B2B quote for your clients. First, visit the B2B portal link and scroll down to click on the check price button on online quote option. The form will require a password, which you can request by contacting our team on WhatsApp. The itinerary builder form will be displayed after entering your password. The first step is to fill in the basic information like travel date and trip type. Then select Stay Type from the drop-down list, where you can select how many cities and hotels you want to include in the itinerary. Next, search and select the hotel from the drop-down list and number of nights based on your client requirements. There are more than 200 plus room and hotel options. Now you can create the day-wise itinerary by just selecting the desired tour or activity from drop-down list for each day. There are more than 100 plus tour activity options inbuilt in the portal. Next, select any additions you want to add to the trip, like candlelight dinner, dance tickets, massage, etc., for your client. Lastly, select the airport pick and drop location based on your hotel area selection. Once you have done all the steps, click Next Page. On this page, fill in the important information like number of adults, number of child, number of rooms, and extra bed requirements. Next, enter your travel agency name, email address, where you want the quotation to be sent, and customer name for reference. At last, click on Apply Calculations and proceed to Next Page. This page will display price of your quote with and without hotels. You can select promotion and enter your selling price, including your profit margin. If the price is as per the client budget, you can click Send, or otherwise go back and make desired changes. Once you have sent the quote, you will receive an email with the created itinerary and price, along with a white label itinerary PDF without any logo. Download this itinerary and simply share your customers. If you wish to make any changes or confirm the booking, simply reply to the email. We do not have a subscription fee or a recurring fee, and this is free for all travel agents. Join our WhatsApp group for more regular updates. Thank you. Baligo Trips, the ultimate B2B itinerary builder.